So, a warm welcome to all and welcome to my channel WizIQ AI. And in today's video, I would tell you as to how using a simple Airtel connection, you can analyze complicated Excel data, which is perplexing for you. And just with basic or no knowledge of Excel, you can still analyze your Excel data in small proportions and create very interesting insights which you can present in your organization and impress people. So why I'm saying Airtel connection? The reason is that if you use ChatGPT for Excel analysis, the basic analysis you can do using this free plan, which everybody has access to. But what happens is when you put an Excel attachment and then it starts analyzing, after the first analysis, if you want to build up on the analysis, it will ask you to go to ChatGPT Go plan or ChatGPT Plus plan. So you have to wait for one more day and then again use your limit for that day and then do the analysis. But not many people know that if you have an Airtel connection, Airtel has tied up with Perplexity, which is another AI agent or tool, and the subscription cost for an year for Perplexity Pro is 17,000 rupees. But what is happening is with Airtel connection, whether it's broadband, DTH, or whatever, now you're getting Perplexity connection for free. And if you have Perplexity Pro connection with you, or the subscription for that, Chat GPT 5 comes by default. That means the plan that I was talking about, 2000 rupees per month, is available with you, and that power you have right in your mobile. But not many people, majority of them, don't even know about it. So now, since you are aware about it, what you need to do is once you log into Perplexity, use, it will ask you to go to Airtel app, and from there is some code that you need to share, and then your Perplexity Pro will get activated. Once that is activated, you need to do simple thing. Just click here, and once you click here, there are many tools which will come here, many models will come here. You have to tick ChatGPT 5. Once you tick that, your ChatGPT is active on Perplexity Pro. And now I'll tell you a simple method through which you can analyze a lot of complicated data and get quick insights. So I've copied all the data here. There are some sample data that I've copied. And let's say we will use sample data 1. So what I'll do is I'll go back to Perplexity and I'll click on attachment and local files. And let's go to sample data. Where is it? Data sets, sample data 1. So this is an employee sample data. Let me open it and show it to you as to what this data set has. All right. So if you see here, it says employee ID, full name, job title, department, business unit, gender, ethnicity, age, country, exit date. So all, and it also has the salary of the employee. Apparently it's for US employees, so it is all in dollars. What bonus they got is also listed here. So now what I'll do is I'll attach this data as an Excel spreadsheet. It's already attached. Now I'll ask Perplexity to analyze this data. Analyze this data in detail and generate McKinsey level insights which can be even presented to, excuse my typos, I'm not worried about that, it will auto get corrected, presented to CXO level people. Ensure that insights are crisp. Now I have given the task to Perplexity and to ChatGPT 5 to analyze the overall data. And if you know McKinsey is the number one consulting firm across the world, and their analysis and insights are considered top class. So I'm asking ChatGPT and Perplexity to use this data and analyze it thoroughly and give me McKinsey level insights. Let's see what it does. So it is also informing us as to what steps it's taking currently. So analyzing the attached data to extract high level impactful insights suitable for executive level presentations. Now you can, so this data set, if you go to Excel spreadsheet, let's see how many rows it has so that we understand the size we are talking about. So it has around 1000 rows. So it's definitely not a small data set. It is decent data set, but you can test the power of Perplexity in ChatGPT. And if you have, let's say, 10,000 rows of data, you should try and see as to what kind of analysis Perplexity does with that kind of big size of data. Currently, I had only this data set, and that is why I just went ahead and used that data set. You can try with bigger data sets as well. This is very helpful for you if, let's say, you have a quick analysis that you need to do for certain data set and you have number crunching which has to be done in real quick time. Because if you have knowledge of Excel, you can do it in Excel, but nothing beats AI tools because they would shorten or compress the time it takes to analyze this data. So that is why this video is very helpful. And if you really, while we are still waiting for the analysis to be completed, my request would be that if you really like such videos, please do extend the support and extend the love for this channel, and at least subscribe to the channel, and if possible also forward the videos so that others who are excited about things like this can also learn from it. So it is now using Python programming. So what it's trying to do is it is using the Excel data set, and using Python, it is trying to assimilate insights out of all this data set that was provided to it. So here it is, and it's finally analyzed all the information that was available, all the data which was available in this Excel spreadsheet. Perplexity has analyzed it, and here's the insight that it has given. It's first given me headline. Workforce is stable with a low exit rate of 8.5% and 91% active headcount, indicating manageable attrition at a portfolio level. That means its first insight is that attrition is well within control. Payroll is approximately 113.2 million with a bonus pool of 15.9 million, implying a total cash compensation outlay near 129.1 million. So that is the second insight it has given me. And after that, if you go down, age is mature and tenure is deep. So it's giving more insights about how long the employees are staying with the company. 74% of employees are 35 plus, and average tenure is 13 years, reinforcing institutional knowledge but signaling succession and upskilling needs. Where risk concentrates. So it's now telling, without even me asking it, it is already telling where all the risks are there based on just the data that I have shared. R&D, it seems the attrition in R&D department is the highest, and that is what it's telling. By function also, it has analyzed and told marketing and engineering higher exits, that means higher attritions are there in marketing and engineering teams. 47% of exits occur within the first 3 years. So very, very, very important data. It's telling that if people have to leave, majority leave within the first 3 years of joining the company. If they cross the 3 year barrier, then they may stay for long. See, now it's talking about the cost to the company. That means employee salaries. Seniority ladder is cost effective at the top. VPs show lowest exit rate. I'm sorry, it's talking about attrition again, and it's saying lowest exit rate is at the highest level. That means they are getting paid handsomely also. And once they reach that top level, they are not leaving. And then it's telling accounting and finance guys are the best paid guys. And gender parity and gender pay also has been discussed here. Now it's talking about the geography. So what I'm trying to say is, just by attaching this data set, look at the kind of analysis it has done. It has dissected the data left, right, and center and given all the insights which would take at least 5 days for a team of 2 to 3 people to come to this level of analysis. It has done within a matter of seconds. My suggestion is to take lead from this. See, all these videos that I'm creating is not for, it's not a cookie cutter kind of a video wherein you just replicate it. It is for you to start thinking how now this thread can be used by you for doing something which is a specific issue you have at work or you have in your life. So I'm hoping that you would also leave your comments if you start using this use case, and then, leave the comment and tell me how it helped in your area. I would be more than happy. And please do like, subscribe, and share the video if you like it. Thank you. Till we meet again, have a good evening.